So one of those things can look like carrying items. So someone may carry items around because of sensory reasons. They may do it while doing other types of activities. So maybe they're painting a picture or going on a picnic, or they're reading a book and they're still carrying items. So some examples would be like, if they're carrying it around for sensory reasons, maybe it's like new and unused toothbrushes, or maybe it's like shiny necklaces or anything like that. Or but the key here is it's present in different environments over time. So it's not like a one-time thing, and it's like over time. And so that can be one manifestation that falls under sensory stuff. Additionally, so sometimes things look one way on the outside, but we just don't want to assume like what it means. So for example, if someone is fidgeting with something, they some people might fidget with stuff because it helps them with sensory emotional regulation. Okay. But other people may not be aware that they're fidgeting with things like, their clothing or like a sheet of paper in front of them. And so maybe it could be anxiety, or they just feel uncomfortable, or it's just a way to release energy. So we always want to, say, okay, here's what we see on the outside, if we see anything on the outside, right? Because a lot of these conditions with autism, but especially OCD, and I talked about this in detail in other videos, is it doesn't necessarily show on the outside. Okay. And so what the person is showing on the outside and what's on the inside can actually be completely different. And that's also, and so it may look one way, or like someone's doing something for a certain reason, but it could actually be a whole myriad of reasons. And it could be reasons that, we're not even aware of yet.